Introducing ast-grep outline, a new alpha command in ast-grep 0.44. It prints a compact syntax or bands for source files and directories. The problem it solves is simple. Before changing code, people and agents often open whole files just to learn what is inside. Outline gives the map first before the full read. The same command answers 3 navigation questions: summarize one file, scan a directory's exported surface, or expand a single symbol when a grep result gets interesting. The loop is intentionally small. Find a likely file, inspect its local shape, read the smallest useful range, then repeat with better context. The output is source-like on purpose. It keeps names, signatures, members, and line ranges visible, so the next read becomes a choice instead of a guess. The benchmark asks whether that map changes real agent behavior. On larger repositories, structure-first navigation often cut Claude code cost while preserving baseline relative correctness. The outline arm was not protected from normal tools. It could still use read, grep, glob, and shell search. The question was whether outline improved the route, not whether it replaced evidence. Before the design details, here is the map. Outline has no index, so it works from the files you ask about. It does no cross-file analysis, so it reports visible structure. And it uses declarative extraction rules, so language coverage can grow predictably. No index is mainly an operational choice. Outline parses files in the current checkout on demand, so agents working across Git worktrees do not need caches to build, sync, invalidate, or duplicate. No cross-file analysis is the honesty boundary. Outline does not resolve imports, references, call graphs, or types. If it misses syntax, the fix is usually an extractor rule. The extraction model is declarative. Built-in coverage grows by rule definitions and tests. Future custom extractors should let projects add their own shapes without hard-coding CLI branches. An extractor is a rule plus metadata. Select the syntax, derive the name, and roll. Attach members by containment, and keep the model explicit. Each outline entry is a local structural fact: name, symbol type, range, signature, AST kind, and visible flags, like exported or public. Place outline between grep and semantic tooling. It stays local like search, but understands syntax. When you need exact types or references, use an LSP or compiler-backed tool. The alpha still has work ahead: stable JSON output, broader built-in rules, and a future path for custom extractors. The goal is better maps, not a bigger semantic engine. Try ast-grep outline where broad reading hurts. A large file, change files, or a directory an agent would otherwise scan blindly. Start with structure, then read with intent.